What time do you have your breakfast?
When I get time, then I practice.
No. I am saying what time do you have your breakfast?
Oh, ma'am, breakfast.
In the morning. Yeah.
My breakfast time is 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Morning time.
So you have breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Yes. Then I
You
go
can
to,
say I have my breakfast at 8 o'clock. What do you have for breakfast?
breakfast like tea and some biscuits.
Tea and some snacks.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you like paratha or toast? I mean, I want to know
Yes,
what
ma'am.
village people
Yes,
eat
ma'am.
for breakfast.
I love paratha.
You love paratha. And do you
Yes.
eat bread also?
Yes. I have it.
Cornflakes and all these things available in the village?
Yes, ma'am.
Cornflakes, breakfast cereals. Are breakfast cereals available in villages? Have you eaten cornflakes or wheat flakes or something like that in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, they are available.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, it's available.
What do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I go to our field for farming work, and
You
then I
help
back
your
to
father.
my
He's a
home.
farmer.
Yes. My father is a farmer,
What do you
and
grow?
yes, I go to my father for farming work. Then I come back to my
No.
home
Tell
and
me, what do you grow in your fields? What do you grow in your
grow.
fields?
Yes, ma'am. Like sugar cane and weeds and paddy. It's many type of crops is grow here.
Okay. And what time do you have your lunch?
My lunch time is 12 o'clock.
Instead of saying my lunch time is 12 o'clock, you should say, I usually have my lunch at 12 o'clock. Yeah,
Yes,
I have my lunch at around 12 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And after lunch, what do you do? Do you take rest or you study?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have take rest
No,
only
you should
1
say,
hour.
I take rest. I have nahi. इसमें have नहीं आएगा. You
Okay.
should say, I take rest.
Yes, ma'am. I take rest only 2 hours. After that,
I take rest for 2 hours. You should say, I take rest for 2 hours.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
After that, I take bath and yes.
Okay, you
Then,
take bath in the evening.
No, ma'am. When I come from my fields,
Okay.
then I take
After coming back from fields, you take bath. Okay. Then you take
And,
bath and then have lunch.
yes.
Okay.
Then I read some articles and novels and stories. Then I walk around my sorry, ma'am. Then I walk.
What do you want to say? Say that in Hindi, I tell you.
मैं इधर उधर थोड़ा टहलता हूँ.
Okay. You should say, I take a stroll.
After that, I teach to student for.
I teach
To
to
say,
नहीं, तू नहीं आएगा. I teach my students.
Okay, ma'am. I teach student 4 to 6 p.m.
I teach my students from 4 to 6 in the evening. I
Yes,
teach my students from 4 to
Yes,
6 in the evening.
In the evening, and then I read and I solve my math questions and some important GK GS notes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What time do you have your dinner?
9
9 o'clock.
9. I have dinner 9 p.m.
I have dinner at 9 o'clock. Instead of saying 9 p.m., you can say, I have dinner at 9 o'clock. And then what do you do after dinner?
After dinner, I use to my phone and
Instead of saying
and
you should say, I use my phone. Not used to. You should say, after dinner, I use my phone.
yes, ma'am. I use my phone and I watch I watch some reels and videos.
Okay,
For
you enjoy
entertainment.
watching reels. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, and I make also videos on Instagram.
I
I sorry, ma'am. I make some videos, ma'am. I make some videos on Instagram.
नहीं नहीं, नेक क्या बोला आपने? ये क्या बोला? ये वर्ड क्या है?
Make
मेक? मैक
Yes,
मैक आप
yeah,
मैक बोल रहे हो? आप वीडियो बनाते हो?
yes, ma'am. I create.
उसको नेक मत बोलो, आप मेक बोलो. आई मेक वीडियोस ऑफ फॉर इंस्टाग्राम. यू कैन से आई
Yes,
मेक
ma'am.
वीडियोस फॉर इंस्टाग्राम.
Yes, ma'am. I
आप
make
मैक कह रहे थे
some
तो मुझे
videos.
समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था. मेक मेक MAKE होता है मेक, मैक नहीं,
Yes.
मेक. ओके.
Yes,
Yeah.
make. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the
I
night
make some videos
after
on
dinner, you
Instagram.
make videos. Okay. You make short
Yes,
videos or
ma'am.
long videos?
No, ma'am. Short videos.
Short videos. You make reels.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are fond of making reels on Instagram. So what kind of videos do you
Yes.
make?
Only funny videos.
Oh, okay, okay. You make funny videos.
Yes, I like funny videos.
Okay.
Making.
Okay, you like making funny videos. So you can say, I like making funny videos. Okay, that's great because, that's good for people also because they make them laugh. Those videos make people laugh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it's nice. What time do you go to bed?
And I go to bed around 11 p.m.
So you should say, I go to bed at around 11.
Yes.
I go to bed at around 11. 11
I go
PM
to
बोलने
bed
की
at
जरूरत नहीं है. PM तो तब बोलते हैं. देखो, जब PM और AM, PM देखो, रात को सोने तो आप AM में तो जाओगे नहीं, रात को ही जाओगे, तो PM बताने की जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पर. जब यहाँ पर हमको ये डाउट होता है कि PM है या AM है, there we tell कि 11 AM not PM. I go to bed at 11 तो भी चलेगा, सिर्फ 11 बोल दो. I go to bed at 11.
Okay, ma'am.
You teach your sister also. She is in class 12.
Yes, ma'am. I teach her.
You teach her maths.
Yes.
Okay.
But ma'am, my English communication, my confidence is very low. Whenever I speak front of any stranger, so I hesitate what I say, and people really laugh at me. What are you speaking? You will not learn English.
People say that in villages. Do people say that?
Yes, ma'am.
Does anyone speak English in a village?
No, ma'am.
Then who are these people who say that to you? Your friends and who know you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
my
they
neighbors.
discourage you that stop learning English. No, you cannot learn English. They say that?
Yes.
Yes. Don't worry. Whenever we try to do something good, your relatives and people who know you, they try to pull you back. They don't want you to succeed actually. You should not take these things to heart and you should ignore such people. If we keep
Yes.
worrying about these people, we can never succeed in life. अगर आप ये जो मजाक उड़ाते हैं इनके ऊपर ध्यान देते रहोगे तो there is no way. You cannot succeed then. You shouldn't focus on these people. If you learn good English, it will help your career.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes. Yes. Ma'am.
Yes. And you can get very
only
good
my
job in a
friends-
city. Yeah.
Yes. Only my friends suggest me that you have to learn English. People whatever say, so you ignore them.
हाँ. You should ignore whatever they say. You should keep learning English and you are speaking fair English and you will learn very good English with time because you are reading novels and you are watching content, English movies and everything. Keep watching English movies. That is a very nice way. Okay, which English movies have you watched? Tell me some movies that you have watched. Did you watch them with subtitles?
Yes, ma'am. Subtitles in English. And I watch. Yes, ma'am. I watch serial Mahabharat. I like Mahabharat.
Okay. You watched Mahabharata with English subtitles.
English subtitle. Yes, ma'am.
But it's a Hindi show, not English.
Yes, ma'am. Hindi so, but
The
underline.
subtitles are in English, right? The subtitles
Yes,
are in
yes.
English. Don't do that.
Are
You
in-
watch English movies and English serials. Don't watch Hindi shows. Start watching English videos, English stand-up comedies, English news, English political things, everything in English, not Hindi. If you watch English serials or English movies, there also you will get subtitles. And if you keep reading subtitles, you will understand that what they are saying. Stop watching things in Hindi now because you know Hindi very well. You don't need to learn Hindi anymore, right?
Yes.
Anurag, you will be really fluent. I am promising you that. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Never worry
I
about
want-
such people who make fun of
I
you.
want to become fluent in English.
I didn't get you. Please.
But my first problem is that I hesitate.
See, you hesitate because you don't have enough practice. If you keep practicing, then your hesitation will be removed. And for that, you do one thing. You keep talking to yourself in English. That way, you will
Yes.
start thinking in English. It will become easier for you and you will not hesitate. You hesitate because nobody in the village speaks English. Go to a city and then speak English. Or talk to people in city and then talk in English.
Think yes, ma'am. Whatever I think in Hindi, and in my mind, I try to translate it in English.
I'll tell you, in the starting, everyone does that. Everyone translates from Hindi to English in the starting. But as you keep practicing and keep
And-
thinking in English, I'll tell you how to think in English. If you keep thinking about your daily routine, like you can say, now I have to teach children. I have had my breakfast. Now I will go to fields. Let me take a bath. Now I have taken bath. Let me eat food. I have finished my food. Let me take rest. Like this, you keep talking to yourself every day. And that way you will start thinking in English.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And I do practice front of mirror. Yes, sir.
That's very effective.
Only yes, ma'am. Only 10 or 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes now. Oh, that's enough. Keep practicing on the free apps like Ace Fluency and that you told me, no? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
you will become fluent. Don't
Yes.
worry. Anurag, it was a lovely conversation. I enjoyed talking to you and all the best to you.
Thank-
You will crack the exam and you will be fluent in English. All your dreams will
Thank
come
you,
true,
ma'am.
I'm telling you. Okay,
Thank you
Anurag?
so much, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.